Good afternoon, everyone. I will present to you our new corporation, which is the Blues Goose Lagoon Incorporated. First, I will present the old corporation name, which is the Katiana Tours Incorporated, managed and owned by Catherine Z. Gali Galion, and which is an air transport type of industry. The Katiana Tours Incorporated has a capital which amounts to 100,000 pesos and is effective last January 4, 2013. Next is A La Carte Baguio Corporation, which is managed and owned by Priyanka K. Gomez and is a restaurant, cafe, and fast food center type of industry and which has a capital amount of 100,000 pesos and it is effective last January 1, 2013. The last one is Nice Gutch Incorporated, which is managed and owned by Christian Charlotte M. Gatchalian and is a miscellaneous business activities type of industry and which has amount of 100,000 pesos and is effective last January 4, 2013.
As you can see, this is the logo of our new corporation, which is the Blues Goose Lagoon Lounge Inc. Here it is the plan of consolidation. It is the constituent corporations of the consolidation are the Katiana Tours Inc., which owns and operates by Katiana Tours here in Baguio City, A La Carte Baguio Corp, and the Nice Gutch Inc., which owns and operates here in Baguio City. All the assets of the said corporations, which are the Katiana Tours Inc., A La Carte Corp, and Nice Gutch Inc., including its liability or liabilities to third persons, if any shall be transferred to the newly established corporations, which is the Blues Goose Lagoon Lounge Inc. The authorized capital of Blues Goose Lagoon Lounge Inc. is 300,000 pesos, divided into 10,000 shares with a par value of 25 pesos per share. Subscribed capital is 50,000 pesos, divided into 2,000 shares at 80 pesos per par value per share. The members of the board of directors of the Katiana Tours Inc., A La Carte Corp, and Nice Gutch Inc. shall follow the due process of voting the new board of directors for the new established corporation. Upon approval of the consolidation by the Securities and Exchange Commission, which is the SEC, Blues Goose Lagoon Lounge Incorporation shall own and operate the Katiana Tours Inc., A La Carte Corp, and the Nice Gutch Inc. Objectives of Blues Goose Lagoon Lounge Inc. is to be able to render a service to people that are willing to spend their time for relaxation. To be able to give satisfaction to customers. To be able to handle an industry in a good way. And lastly, to provide a better service that would make the customer feel sure to come back for sure.
The authorized capital of Blues Goose Lagoon Lounge is 300,000 pesos. It is divided into 30,000 shares with par value of 25 pesos per share. Subscribed capital is 50,000 pesos, divided into 2,000 shares at 80 pesos par value share. Here is the common stock certificate. This is to certify that Jason Ferreira Namita is the owner of the fully paid and non-assembled shares of common stock regarding Blues Goose Lagoon Lounge Incorporated, dated on the 19th day of February 2013, with General Numero, Baguio City, Philippines. The chairman, Catherine Z. Galion, Christian Charlotte Gatchalian, and as secretary, and Priyanka K. Gomez for president. Thank you.